Hi, welcome back to another trade recap. And it's today you can see it's a winner and actually a really good week, good past 2 weeks. But 640, I risk 500. That's about I think it was 1.3 R. And if you look at this, hurts. So let me just get right into it. Let me go to my journal. Let me just start splabbing or freaking blabbing words at. Yeah, I need to sit up. All right, so one of the most frustrating days I've ever had. Um, If I would have gotten filled at all-time high on NQ, it would have been a 3.11 R and a $1,500 day. MNQ screwed me over and I didn't get taken out and it started dropping and emotions were at an all-time high. I can't lie. And I exited lower because I didn't know if I was going to come back up. This winning day made me way more mad than almost all of my losses. I feel like I'm reading like a school project. Let me just chill. So pretty much, um, price came up. Brother, my shit just fell. You kidding me? Let me see if maybe I'm still on camera. I gotta be good. Oops. So pretty much price came up. Um, took it out on this, but on MNQ, which I unfortunately have to trade, I didn't get filled. So I didn't get taken out. Would have been $1,500 day. Would have been juicy. How many more? That's like 900 more dollars. 50. Ooh. Ugh. Would have been great. Would have been a banger. But I didn't. Started dropping down. I literally exited 82.75. I pretty much bottom tick this move. So whatever. Game is the game. Yeah. Game is the game. It's very frustrating, but it's the game. So pretty much the trade idea. Market opened. All right. Anyway, to recap the actual trade, I was bullish and I went at all-time highs. And I wrote this in my journal before, and I'm just bullish. I could just pull that up. I'm bullish. This is what I just write in the journal beforehand. I think I'm pretty sure this. Hello. I'm just bullish and want to go see if we can. I'm bullish and going to wait and see if we can get a setup to previous day high slash all-time high on NQ. And then market open and immediately started running lower, which I like to be a Judas swing right there. And I started looking for any SMT, but ES was below this low. Well, NQ wasn't, but it's not like a session low like London, Asia, all that. So it wasn't like too strong. But when we started displacing with this 939 and 940 candle right here, I was like, okay, I'm probably going to entertain the idea of longs. And we created the first presented fair value gap at 940. So it's like if I entered up here, it would be like, I mean, still a decent entry, but I mean, I don't think we're going to not tap the first presented at all. So I waited till we came down here. Market entered because I really like bulls. And then price ended up pumping. What else did I say? Yeah, we were also in the N dog on ES. If I pull that up, we were in. Oh, why am I on the 15-minute? Let me go back to the one. We were in the N dog on ES, and we were also delivering from this 15-minute on NQ. And I entered right at right when we hit this at 9:43, which this 15-minute candle right here was looking good to create a range with this one. This would be my range high. Break even at the range high. Right here, this absolute pump of a candle. Shout out to that candle. Really putting in the work. But that's when I went break even after this candle pumped up. And should have been a $1,500 day, but it wasn't. Can I hold up? Where is it? I absolutely shattered. Hold on, I want to make sure you can see this. This is important news. I absolutely shattered my headphones. I went like this, stood up when I exited. Like, it was probably the most emotional I've ever been trading. I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe. I stood up, exited right there, and I stood up and I just slammed my headphones on the floor, and now they're broken. So I have to fix them, or buy new ones. So this honestly today could have costed me $100. I don't know how much these headphones are, but oops, wrong thing. Yeah. So unfortunate day. But I mean, still $600 win. 1.5K week. It's just the eval, so it's not like can't think too much of that. But yeah, I'm not really. Yeah, up 828.13 on this eval. I'm taking it slow because I don't know. I want to take it slow. I'm not risking crazy evals yet. I'm just kind of trading him $500 risk. Yeah, good end to the week. No trade. Oh, I didn't even make a video yesterday. Let me recap yesterday too. No trade day. Got held up late at work last night and didn't get to bed until 1 a.m. Markets open at 7:30 for me because I'm in Mountain Time. And I slept through my 7 a.m. alarm and didn't wake up until 7:40. And in the past, when I've woken up late, I've like made some stupid decisions. I don't have a full like read for the market, so I decided just to watch. And looking back at the markets, they're shorts right at open. Let me go back to open. Right at 7:30. Yeah, these shorts. Reddit open did look clean. But what did I say? But the longs right after. But the best move to me were the longs right after. I like the SMT with the 230 low, delivering from the 230 15-minute for value from NQ, and clean 1 minute CISD at 949. Right here with displacement, literally came down perfectly, tapped the change, ran back up. So like, if I did wake up yesterday, if I did wake up yesterday, I probably would have banked. Game's the game, whatever. And the price came back right before stopping and shooting up to London high, which was up there somewhere. Overall, very upset I missed out on the day, but the price was very clean, and I'll show up tomorrow to see what I can do. And today's tomorrow. And I did something. Could have done whatever. All right, well, that's it for today. I'll be back Monday. I want to check the news, actually, for next week. Some chill news. All right, next week should be good. Yeah, I'll be back next week for some more trading.